Hi, this is Fraser from FF Art Studio. Welcome back guys to the second part of this Conch Shell modeling tutorial. In the first part we have dealt with the modeling. So now the modeling is complete. We step into the second part. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll be dealing with the UV unwrapping of this conch shell. So let's get started. Let us select the UV editor from the UV tab from the shelf. As you can see, the UV has been laid out this way and we need to unwrap it in order to texture it properly. Let's select the UV toolkit. Now you can also select the UV toolkit from the tool menu of the UV editor. You can select the UV editor as I have shown you from the UV tab and also from Windows Modeling Editor UV editors. Now let us go to the UV toolkit. Under the UV toolkit we will get transformations, options for creating the UV, for projecting in various ways. You will get the cut and sew option and various cut and sew options from the tab. Unfold and various unfold and straightening methods, aligning and snapping to various positions, and also laying out in various orientations, stacking the shells and layout and arranging. Let us now do a planar projection in the z-axis, which is facing the front of the camera. The rest of the set is keeping same. You see the projection. Yeah. Now let us go and select the edges. To cut off the seams, let us select from the UV tab 3D Cut and Sew tool. Once you get into the tool, you can select the edge loops which you want to chop off. Let us select this loop from the top to separate the upper part from outside. Now let us go inside and select the similar edge loop from the inside. As you see, once both the edge loops are cut, the whole shell of the top part becomes separate. The whole UV shell is now separate. Let us cut few more edges so that we can unwrap it cleanly. As we now see that all the shells are now separated, internal and external. You can now go to the UV toolkit, drop down, unfold, select all the shells together and hit unfold. The options used for unfold is set to unfold 3D and the rest of the options are left as it is. On unfolding it once more, we find we need to cut a few more seams. So let us select the edges. And if we see the texture density map from here, you can see that it is ununiformly arranged. By unfolding it once more, we see the difference that now it looks much better. And the texture density, apart from a few places, is quite uniform. The white color suggests a good texture density, the red suggests and the loose edges, the texture densities are either more or less over there. Let us now select a few more edges and separate the shells. Now that all the remaining edges are separated or the shells are separated, select all the shells together once more and hit unfold again. Now we see the difference in the texture density from the checkerboard pattern which we can get from the texture menu picture tab on the UV editor. We see the checkerboard now it's quite uniformly arranged. This looks much better. The texture density looks much better now. You should keep in mind the shells should be little away from the border of the tile boundaries and also should be little away from each other. Now we just need to arrange the shells in a proper fashion so that it may occupy the grid space in an even way and minimize the blank spaces. This I can do manually. The shells look good to go now, and now we are done with this second part of UV unwrapping of this conch shell. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed till yet, friends, and see you in the next part.
And thanks for watching.